What is up, guys? Welcome back to Lumsden Motorsports Garage. I'm Wade Lumsden, and today we're actually going to be headed out to Fallon and continue work on our container shop that we're building out there at my dad's house. But before I left the house and headed that direction, I did want to show you. I did go on and make a bunch of panels. Right now they're all just kind of sitting kind of in their relative spots here. This is still the old messed up T-bar, but there's stuff that's made. I still got another one to make for right there. Nice long skinny one. That's the old one that's all bent up. But just wanted to show you guys that last night I went ahead and just started bending away. Most of these still need, I think I talked about it earlier in the last video, they still need the notch cut out here. That's why these are all sitting propped up like this. We got to cut the notch here so it'll sit down onto the square tube. But just wanted to show you guys I'm actually making some headway finally. But today's Sunday, headed out to work on the dad's shop, and hopefully we can get that thing going. Yeah, hopefully we can make some headway on that, right? So that being said, let's get to work. All right, we are out here at my dad's place and in process of pulling forms off. We got to move them down over there. We got to get this box moved over. So we got a lot of lifting and moving of stuff. So that's the goal for right now. End goal for the day will be to most likely have this end of the box up on the forms, and the other side I'll probably prop it up in the air and then put the forms in and hopefully have concrete poured and be good to go. So that's what we're doing right now. Hey, Jordan's here.
Yo.
He brought
I'm loader operator today.
Yeah, he's loader operator today. We one of the local dairies here in Fallon, they lent us a nice big piece of machinery for us to actually accomplish this goal. So yeah, that's what we got going on. You ready? You excited?
I think you guys are about 20 minutes into your hour.
Yeah, right. Okay. All right, we got to get to work. Alrighty, guys, we are using working smarter, not harder over there, moving our wheelbarrow and all that stuff down to the other end. We have the box set up on this side, holding it up on the other side, and we're gonna set the forms and pour the concrete over there here in a little while. I think I left my laser level on. Mine is a laser level. And I kept calling that other thing a transponder, the other level, and it's not a transponder. Somebody said it today and I already forgot what it was again. Oh well, that's my bad. Maybe one of these days I'll remember the name of it. Yeah, but we got this up in the air. Box is relatively close to where it's gonna go. We just have to set forms and pour forms and then do the fine tuning. I know it needs to come from where I'm standing. It needs to come my direction towards me just a little bit, and it actually needs to slide outwards literally inch and a half or something like that. So we are really close. I think we're gonna wait for it to cool off because it's hot. It's super hot. So we're gonna cool off for a little bit and we'll probably come back and do this portion. In the meanwhile, we got other stuff to do, and I think we'll go do that stuff. So okay, in the heat of the day we took a break. Well, kind of took a break, decided to go pick up the tough truck. You guys probably saw it behind me. Went and picked up the tough truck, got it put on the trailer. We will be bringing it back home. Got some stuff to fix and things to do. We still got lots of body damage to check out. Not 100% sure what we're going to do about all that, but still have the driveline issue stuff to address on the truck, so that'll be coming home with us, and hopefully we can get some stuff figured out and make cool things happen, because our next race, August, oh man, I don't want to lie to you guys, it's like the 20th or the 21st and 22nd or whatever that Friday Saturday is circle track races and tough truck. So we got to get the modified done and we got to get the tough truck done. So that'll be the goal, bringing it home so I can, you know, if I get on have a stop on one project, I can jump on another project, and it's a whole lot easier when it's all at home and not at my dad's house. So that's the goal there. All right, I am super happy. It's cooled down quite a bit, actually. Welcome to the desert. But it's cooled down enough to where a guy can come out here and work. Granted, it is getting much later into the day, so we're gonna have to get done whatever we can. So next steps, we need to put our forms back together that we stole from the other side, and then we're gonna come over here. The box is currently up in the air, and it is fairly close to where it's going to be. It's setting on the forms on that side. We do have a couple blocks holding this thing up to keep it up, but it's holding it up at a height that's taller than what the top of the form is going to end up being. So we got to put our forms back together. We're going to dig out the center of that, prep to do concrete, and hopefully get the concrete pads poured. These are close. I know that it needs to, the box, I guess I can do it this way. The box needs to move this direction, inches, literally just inches, and then it needs to go that way. I think on this side it's like a ½ inch off, and on that side it's like an inch off. So really close to where we want to be. We're going to be keeping that in mind when we set our forms down here. We'll aim for center to be, you know, inch or so, a couple inches this direction, a couple inches that direction, and then we will be prepared to pour the form. And then once the form's poured, we're going to be super happy campers. Now, it's not going to happen in this video, but just for next steps, we will end up taking the bolts, the J bolts that we put into the ground here, and we'll end up taking a steel plate, drilling a hole, setting the box on top of it, and welding it to it. If we need any shims, which we shouldn't, like all of this stuff is extremely level. I'm actually surprised as to how level I've gotten it when we've been doing this, but we shouldn't need to shim anything. But if at that point in time, if we need to shim anything, we'll be able to stack some plates underneath the corners and weld them together. So that's going to be the plan. I'm waiting for a little bit of help to show up, because man, that's a lot to do by myself, and to do it quickly. So I'm gonna wait for my help to show up, and then we will get to work doing that. We do have to move. We have a bunch of concrete on the trailer over there, way over there. We do got to move a bunch of that concrete over to the other side to be able to get to work. But yeah, we're getting there. We're ready. We're almost ready to rock and roll. And then once the boxes are in place, I think the rest is gravy. Of course, I say that because I think the next hard part is the uprights that we're going to be doing, that our trusses are going to be going across. And that sounds a lot like a brother job. Yeah, I think my brother's going to do that. Sounds a lot like a good job for him. So yeah, I'm going to go get some get some water, and once my help shows up, we'll get to work. Okay, I just asked, and before I forget, I literally just asked. That is a transit, laser level transit. Got it? Right? Yeah, okay. I'm getting the nod of approval that yes, it's the laser.
Sorry.
Yeah, he's good.
We're trying to ignore you and you're making it hard.
Yeah, Jordan and the old man are here. Just poured the last 2 forms for at least for setting the Conex boxes. We still have what, 2 more to pour somewhere
Out front, yep.
Yeah, somewhere out front there.
Supports.
Yeah, some beam supports, and then yeah, I think that's it for tonight, right? We're not doing anything else. Yeah, the only thing that we messed up on is we didn't have another set of anchor bolts over here, but that's yeah. Yeah, so we're gonna drill in anchors on this side, but they'll work just fine. It's not like this thing's gonna go anywhere. So whew, now that we're done,
The wind's quit.
yeah, and we did most of that in some nasty wind, and of course, as you can see, most of what's around us is sand, so we were getting sand blasted the whole time. And we actually got done before dark, which is weird.
It wasn't planned.
Wow. Yeah. But that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Any questions, comments, concerns down below. Lumsden Motorsports Facebook page. Jordan, anything?
Should I steal Tiss's thing?
Steal Tiss's
Keep the
thing.
dirty side down.
Bam, there you go.
What'd you say?
Keep the dirty side down. Oh, steal Tiss's thing.
Apparently my dad doesn't watch our videos.
He doesn't know how to.
So, all right. We'll catch you guys next time. Peace.